Okay, in this video, we're going to graph a transformation of an absolute value function, and there's really only 4 steps. The first step says identify the vertex, step 2 says plot the vertex, step 3 says obtain and plot 2 more points, one to the left and one to the right of the vertex, and then the step 4 is just plot the points. And so we'll get started. So first we want to identify the vertex. So this piece tells us that the graph is going to shift right by 1. So it does the opposite of what you think. Another way of thinking about this, you want to make this piece 0. So positive 1 or right 1. So the vertex will be 1 comma. This piece does up and down. So it does what you think. So we're going to go up by 3. So our vertex is 1 comma 3. And so now we can plot it. So I'm going to go right 1 and then up 3. 1, 2, 3. We can put a dot. This right here is our vertex. Now we can obtain and plot 2 more points. 1 to the left and 1 to the right. If you always do like 1 minus 1, you get 0, and 1 plus 1, you get 2, you'll have symmetry. So all you really need to do is just actually figure out what one of them should be. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So I'm going to take the 0, I'm going to plug it in here. So I have 2 absolute value, 0 minus 1, so minus 1. Close the absolute value, plus 3. Now, the absolute value of negative 1 is positive 1. So we have 2 times 1, so 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now again, if you always do 1 to the left, 1 to the right, like minus 1 plus 1, this automatically will also be 5 because of symmetry, but you could always check by plugging in. So if I do 2 absolute value, 2 minus 1, I get positive 1. Close the absolute value, plus 3. Again, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now, our last step says plot the points. So I'm going to go 0, and then I'm going to go up by 5. So 4, 5, we can put a dot. And the other one is right 2 and up 5. Then we just need to connect the dots. That's one of them, and that's our second. And that's pretty much it for this video.